In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a whitelist or a blacklist in Automizer and use it in your integrated campaigns with auto rules. Whitelists and blacklists are based on various dimensions. They include elements you either want to target in your campaigns or block because you know they won't convert. This option is especially useful when your chosen traffic source doesn't have a blacklist/whitelist feature. You can create whitelists and blacklists by yourself, or get them from your traffic sources, account managers, or in forums. In Volume, these lists can be used as a condition in an auto rule. To do so, go to the Automizer tab and click on WhitelistsBlacklists. Click on Add List. The list can contain any values passed from a traffic source through a custom variable. For example, placement names, site IDs, etc. To add the list, just name it and provide values, one per each line. Click Save. Now you can create a rule using the list you just added. For example, you can create a blacklist with the specific site IDs from popular ads that did not bring you any conversions in your previous campaigns. To make it work, create a rule that will pause the provided site IDs. To do that, go to the Rules tab. In the Rules tab, click the New Optimization rule. Name the rule. In the first section, choose a dimension from the drop-down. Select which traffic source and which dimension the rule is made for. Select the campaigns that the rule will affect and what action should the rule trigger. Now, select the dimension metric type. In this example, I choose is on the list. As I want to pause all site IDs I added previously in the blacklist. And now, simply select the list that you have just created. Configure time settings for the rule and click Save. And that's all. If you want to learn more, read our Volume documentation and check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials.